In this video, we're going to show you how to make Lao red curry noodles, or in Lao we call it Khao Poon Gai. First, you want to boil water in a pot and add 1 whole onion and some ginger. When the water is almost boiling, add 1 whole chicken. Let the chicken cook for about 1 hour or until the meat is tender. I have here some shallots and garlic. Cut your garlic and shallots into small pieces. And now you're going to blend it. You can add a little bit of oil to help with the blending. So here is our blended shallots and garlic. We're just going to set it aside for now. Now we're going to check on our pot. You want to scoop out the excess fat from it so the broth will not be too oily or greasy. Once the chicken is cooked, you're going to remove it from the pot and then you're going to shred it. In a pan, add oil, and then we're going to add our blended garlic and shallots once the oil is warm. And then we're going to add some red curry paste to the pan. This is the type of curry that I'm using. If you like it spicy, you can add a lot of the red curry paste. If you don't like it spicy, just add a little bit. Make sure to mix the red curry paste well with the blended garlic and shallots. Once your paste is mixed well, you're going to add your shredded chicken. Mix the shredded chicken well with the curry paste. Now we're going to add our coconut milk. I'm using 2 cans of coconut milk. Add your coconut milk to your shredded chicken. Be sure to stir well to mix all the coconut milk with the chicken and curry paste. We are also using chicken bouillon. They come in cubes or come in a can. We're going to add it to the chicken broth to give it some flavor. We are adding 2 cubes into the chicken broth. Let it boil for about 15 minutes. Now we're going to add our chicken mix with red curry sauce to the chicken broth. Now I'm going to add some fish sauce, and you can also add badak, our fermented fish sauce. It's optional. Then add some salt. Add some sugar and stir well. Give it a taste, and if it needs more fish sauce, salt, or sugar, add it to fit your taste, and it's done. You can add lime leaves to the pot if you want. I didn't have any, so I didn't add it. These are the type of noodles that I'm using. To cook it, you boil water and let it cook in the water for about 12 to 18 minutes or until the noodles are soft, and then you put it in a strainer. This is one of my favorite Lao noodle dishes. We're also having some barbecue ribs and Lao sausage. The weather is nice outside, so we're eating outside. There's the vegetables to garnish the noodle soup with.
It's good.
First time, the bottom.